Good day, sir. I am Diana Rose Atual from Group 7, Malacnig. I am honored to present our topic, Naive Bayes in Machine Learning. Machine learning is shaping the future. It allows computers to learn from data and make decisions. A concept once thought to be science fiction. Among the many algorithms used in this field, Naive Bayes stands out for its simplicity, speed, and surprising accuracy, and that's what we'll dive in today. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. Introduction. This is a look into what machine learning is and why it matters. Next, what is Naive Bayes? We'll explain what this model is, how it works, and why it's called naive. Naive Bayes in machine learning. We'll discuss how it's applied in machine learning tasks and the underlying theory. Real-world applications. This could be the practical examples where Naive Bayes is used today. And lastly, the conclusion. This is the summary of what we've learned and its importance in moving forward. Imagine living in a world where computers can recognize your face, translate your voice, or detect a disease from medical scans. Well, that's the world we're entering. Thanks to the machine learning. Machine learning allows systems to learn from data instead of being manually programmed for every task. Think of it like this. Instead of telling a computer how to recognize spam emails line by line, we train it on a large set of data and let it learn the patterns. In today's presentation, we'll focus on one of the simplest yet most effective algorithms used for this, and this is Naive Bayes. So what exactly is Naive Bayes? It's a probabilistic algorithm used for classification tasks, meaning it helps us to place things into categories like spam or not spam. It is based on Bayes' theorem, a mathematical formula that calculates the probability of an event based on prior knowledge of conditions related to that event. Now, the term naive comes from the major assumption it makes. It assumes that all features or input variables are independent of each other. For example, if you're classifying emails, Naive Bayes assumes that the presence of the word discount or unrelated to the presence of the word offer, in real life, that's usually not true. But this assumption makes the model simpler and faster. Interestingly, even with this unrealistic assumption, Naive Bayes still performs very well in many situations. It also comes in different forms. The Gaussian Naive Bayes for numerical data, multinomial Naive Bayes for text data, Bernoulli Naive Bayes for binary features. Now, let's take a step back in time. The theory behind Naive Bayes comes from Reverend Thomas Bayes, an 18th century mathematician and theologian. He developed Bayes' theorem, which helped us update our beliefs based on new evidence. This is the heart of Naive Bayes classifier. Although the math is centuries old, it's still being used today in modern machine learning systems that helps with everything with spam filtering to medical diagnosis. To better understand how Naive Bayes works, we need to look at a few key concepts. Bayes' theorem. This formula calculates how likely something is based on prior knowledge. It combines the prior probability, or what we believe before seeing the data, the likelihood, or how likely the evidence given the hypothesis, and the posterior probability, which is our updated belief after seeing the data. Classification. Naive Bayes is used to assign data to categories or classes, such as spam versus not spam, positive versus negative, sentiment, and etc. Feature independence. This is the naive take part. Assuming features don't affect each other, while not always realistic, it simplifies the computation. Variants. Different types of naive Bayes are used depending on the data. For instance, Gaussian for continuous features, multimonial for word counts in text, and then Bernoulli for binary outcomes. These simple principles come together from a model that is fast, scalable, and surprisingly effective. Now, let's dive into the real-world application. Medical diagnosis with naive Bayes, where we applied naive Bayes algorithm to solve real-world problem. Here, we are predicting disease severity from a medical dataset. Our first step was importing the necessary libraries for the functionality of the program. Next is we load the dataset. The dataset included medical indicators such as age, blood pressure, cholesterol, glucose level, body mass index, and heart rate. The goal was to use these indicators to predict a patient's disease severity level, categorized as severity as 1, 2, or 3. Before training the model, we had to clean and prepare the data. We check for missing values and fill them using the median of each column. This helps prevent bias while keeping the dataset complete. Next, we transformed raw numerical values into categorical groups using custom functions. For example, age was grouped into 3 categories: under 35, then 35 to 55, and over 55. Blood pressure, cholesterol, glucose, BMI, and heart rate were also categorized based on medical standards. After this, their functions were called and were applied on the dataset. Now, we can see that the dataset is now cleaned and is ready to go. This step helped simplify the data and make it more suitable for the Gaussian naive Bayes classifier, which works well with discrete or normally distributed data. The next stage in this activity is model training. We then split the dataset into training and testing sets, using 80% of training and 20% for testing. Using scikit-learn, we initialized and trained a Gaussian naive Bayes model. The training process was incredibly fast, one of the key advantages of naive Bayes. It doesn't need a lot of computational power to learn from the data. Next is model evaluation. After training, we use the model to predict disease's severity on the test set. Here in the model evaluation, we can see that the accuracy rate of the model is 76.10%. Though not so high, but it is not so low, meaning it was able to predict accurate data based from the dataset. This shows the efficiency of naive Bayes model. As we can see here, this is the classification report of the model. This gives us more detailed across all 3 severity classes. All in all, naive Bayes is simple but powerful machine learning algorithm. In conclusion, our explanation of the naive Bayes algorithm revealed that despite its simplicity and naive assumption of feature independence, it remains a highly effective tool in machine learning, especially for classification tasks. Through a real-world application using a medical dataset, we found that with proper data processing, such as handling missing values and categorizing continuous features, the naive Bayes model delivered fast, efficient, and reasonably accurate predictions of disease severity. This demonstrates that even in critical fields like healthcare, simple models like naive Bayes can provide valuable insights and support decision-making. Overall, this project highlighted the importance of clean data, thoughtful modeling, and the practical power of foundational algorithms in solving real-world problems. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We hope you now have a clearer picture of what naive Bayes is and why it remains so relevant in the world of machine learning.